I wanted to learn to play the fiddle about 23 years ago, and couldn't find a fiddle, and I always done woodwork, and I decided I was just going to build my own. I seen pretty quick that I didn't have what it took. So I channeled my efforts in an opposite direction.
Every time he'd get something strung up, he would automatically hand it to me or my brother because he can't play.
I mean, it's just been a part of his life from day one.
You know, a lot of people ask him, you know, how can you build them and you can't play?
They play, but they don't build.
I've played bluegrass music in 47 states.
You know, for 21 years old, he's probably seen more country than most old men have seen. Every time I get finished with one and it leaves out that door, it's just like one of your kids leaving home.